Are you renting right now and trying to figure out if you should buy a home or continue to rent? I'm sure you've been hearing mixed messages about the real estate market these days. Some are saying that the housing market continues to stay strong and housing inventory levels remain low. Also, you've probably heard that it's still challenging to find a home to purchase these days. And with rising interest rates, this has some people considering renting their next home instead of buying one. So, what's the right decision for you? Is it the right choice right now to buy a home, or is it right to actually rent? Well, I'm here to answer that question right now in this video. Hey, my name is Chris from OneRate. We're a mortgage broker located out of the Washington, D.C. area, and we're licensed in 15 states. We've been helping people just like you with their mortgages for a combined 50 plus years. If at any point in this video, if you have any questions about the mortgage process, feel free to reach out to me directly by texting 240-292-1663 or emailing me at chris@onerate.com. All right, let's get into it. There are a few factors to consider before making that big decision. First, some of the most respected companies like CoreLogic, Case-Shiller, Black Knight, MBS Highway, and a few others forecast that the real estate values are going to be appreciating into the foreseeable future. This can have and create significant wealth for you and your family. Second, rents are forecasted to continue to rise by more than 5% per year, which can have a significant impact on your cash flow over time. That means that since your rent won't amortize, it's not helping you build equity and wealth. Vice versa, your mortgage will amortize, meaning that a portion of each of your monthly mortgage payments is going to go towards reducing that loan balance, which build equity and wealth for you. This is different than a rental payment, which builds wealth for your landlord. Trust me, I know, I used to rent. Now, lastly, another big consideration is the level of freedom to do things to your home as an owner, which may be limited as a tenant. Maybe you want to redo the kitchen, or you wish you can add an addition to the place you're living in, or simply you want to paint the wall a different color. But because it's not your home, you can't freely make these changes. Again, I know this all too well because I used to rent. So I believe there is a right time for everyone to buy a home. So if you're trying to figure out if this is the right time for you and want a detailed analysis and forecast for your specific market, feel free to contact me by texting 240-292-1663, and I'll make sure that my team and I will do the work and make sure that to see if homeownership is right for you and it's a good option for you. All right, so thanks again for watching. Have a great day.